In this video, I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Netlify. So if you have website on your Netlify and you bought the domain on Namecheap, this video is exactly for you. So the first thing we need to do, we need to add our domain from Namecheap to Netlify. So first thing is that I'm going to open my dashboard on Namecheap. And here where it says domain list, I need to copy my domain which I want to add. So I have this checkmark academy.site. I'm gonna copy it. And now in the Netlify, we want to select our project or website to which you want to add the domain. So as you can see, I have many deploys from GitHub. So let's say I will take this calculator website. So you can see this is the default domain which Netlify provides you. So it's hosted on this domain. And if you want to make it your own domain, it's very easy. You just want to go to domain management on the left side, and here we want to add our domain we own. Now I will paste domain from Namecheap. I'm going to verify it, and now we can add the domain. And now there are two ways what you can do. You can manually set up your DNS records, or the easier way is to change your name servers. So if you click on this option next to your domain, you can go to DNS panel. And here where it says name servers, you want to basically copy those 4 name servers into your Namecheap. So what I can do, I can copy the first one, and the only thing different is here the number of the name servers. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we can go back to Namecheap, and I'm gonna click on manage next to my domain, which I am connecting. And here we can see in the name servers section that we have Namecheap basic DNS, and you want to set this to custom DNS. And here I'm going to add 2 more fields, and I can paste the same name server 4 times, and I'm going to just change this number to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, and now we can click on this small check mark to save this. And now DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect, so you just need to wait for this DNS propagation. And you can check it if you go back in Netlify, and you can see Netlify DNS is propagating, so you just have to wait for this, and it can take some times. Usually it can be done like in 10 minutes, but sometimes it can take also some hours to finish. And after this is finished, you will see the domain green like the default one, and also the Namecheap will automatically like set up this HTTPS for you. So your website will have this secure log icon in the browser, and it's going to be secured, right? So just need to wait for the propagation, and after that your site will be live on your domain, right? So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.